Write the characteristics of computer. Basic characteristics of computer are as follow. Speed, accuracy, diligence, reliability, memory, logical, versatility, automation. So we explain all the characteristics of computer. Now we will discuss the explanation of characteristics, so be ready for. Number 1 is speed. Computers can perform millions of calculations per second. The computation speed is extremely fast. Number 2 is accuracy. Because computers operate on pre-programmed software, there is no space for human error. Number 3 is diligence. They can perform complex and long calculations at the same time and with the same accuracy. Number 4 is versatile. Computers are designed to be versatile. They can carry out multiple operations at the same time.
Number 5 is storage. Computers can store a large amount of data or instructions in its memory, which can be retrieved at any point of time.